Hello, good day friend. Welcome to map versus ForEach array methods comparison in JavaScript. Map returns an array of same length to the original array. ForEach returns undefined. Map and ForEach both do not modify the original array. The use case for map is if you would like to apply some kind of transformation to each of the elements and want to return a new array of same length to the original array, map can be used. ForEach is used mainly to iterate over an array. The anti-pattern for map is sometimes people use map to iterate over an array, but don't use map just to iterate over an array. ForEach or for loop can be used for that. For map, if you are not using the returned array downstream in the code, then don't use map. Now let us see the signature of the map function. Map takes a mandatory callback function. The callback function signature is it also takes one mandatory and two optional parameters. The first one is the element, the second one is the index, and third one is the array itself. Map function also takes a second optional argument, that is you can set the this object, how the this object would be inside the map callback function, that also you can set. For each, the structure and the parameters are same like map. Now let us see those in action. So I am here in the editor, the map function which is taking a callback function, and now if I want to apply some kind of transformation, like say each of the element I would like to multiply them by 10, and let us see. So if you see that the length of the returned array is same to the original array and the transformation has been applied. In case if we would like, if we don't like, if I do it like this, if e greater than less than 6, then only return this, and if I don't return for one of the element, so like if you see I'm not returning for the 6, in that case let us see how it behaves. So it would fill it with undefined, okay, but the length of the array would be same to the original array. For each, this is like if I run it, it's always undefined because for each doesn't return anything. You can use for each only to loop through the array and process each of the element. Like if I would like to print, I can do that and do any other kind of processing. Okay. Now let us see how these behaves inside each of these for each of these map and for each. So if I console log this here, so you see it's a long object, and you see it's actually the window object has been printed. Now to take care of this, I can pass an empty object, and you see I'm sorry, I pass the empty object to the log. I should pass it to the map. Yeah, so this is the empty object, so we can check that by stringify it. Sorry. Now you see this is the empty object. I can pass an property to it, and you see the properties here. This works similar for each also, and you see this is the same thing. If I don't pass anything, it would be the window object. Okay, so let me, and you see this is the window object. Anyway, so this is how so this is the difference between map and ForEach. Thank you for watching this.